Hey guys, welcome back to We Are Austin. I'm Chelsea Kahn. We're just 3 days away from our CBS Austin and Telemundo Austin backpack giveaway. This is our annual community event where we give out backpacks and school supplies to students in the area for free. And that's thanks to our support from our amazing sponsors like Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing. We have Katie and Tony joining us this morning to share more about their commitment to community support and give us a sneak peek at what you can expect this Saturday. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being one of our sponsors as well. We appreciate you all. For people who aren't familiar with Goettl, go ahead and just give us a little background on who you are.
Yeah, Goettl's an air conditioning plumbing company, as you said, been around for over 85 years.
Wow.
We service the Austin area and surrounding areas. We do the HVAC plumbing as well, from minor repairs to full replacements. Our technicians arrive at your door with a couple little gifts. And there's a little history about it with the flashlight.
Yeah, can we get a shot of this? Yeah, tell us more.
Yeah, the flashlight was, years ago, the owner would hold the flashlight for his dad at night when he's working on air conditioning. Of course, he's probably chasing moths and the dad would get mad like we all did. But he realized this was passing the torch. And that's what we're doing here, is trying to pass the torch to our customers and give them a flashlight. And we have customers that have 10 of these. And they want another one when we show up, or more. And then the Sadie dog is what this name of this little fellow is, Sadie. And our owner, when he used to interview technicians or people to come work for us, he had a dog named Sadie.
Oh.
And if the dog didn't like you, you didn't get the job.
Stop. Oh my gosh, I love this history so much.
We hand this off to everybody. Some of the guys that knew about this, they would actually put treats in their socks and pockets so the dog would like it.
They would not.
They would.
Oh,
It's good stuff.
I love that.
Good stuff.
That's a good tip.
So we
though.
pass this on to all our customers.
But isn't that just so amazing to be able to have that type of history with decades of service right here in Central Texas,
Yep.
and the type of customers that you have that come back time and time again
Yep.
because of that dedication.
They want their Sadie dog.
Oh, I love it. And I'm sure you guys are doing amazing work for them as well.
Absolutely.
So let's talk a little bit about why supporting the community is so important.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're already in the industry to help people, so this was a no-brainer for us to be a part of a charity event like this. It's something that, you know, we'll always jump on an opportunity to give back to our community.
Yeah, for sure. Is there something that that truly like inspired you guys to be a sponsor for our annual backpack giveaway?
I mean, this is our community too, so it's helping our neighbors, you know, we're giving back to...
We have an initiative of a giveaway for children, so this was a perfect fit.
Oh, I totally can see that. Yes. And so you actually have some items you'll be giving out at the giveaway as well,
That
right?
is very true. We're doing pencil pouches,
Yeah.
and like the quality, I have to say, is like really nice. I'm not even gonna lie.
Look, I went through plenty of pencil pouches because they weren't
Yeah.
good quality, and you had to keep replacing them almost every season.
Exactly.
So we love a good quality pencil
It's
pouch.
really, really nice. And yeah.
And we'll
Nice.
have plenty
Very
of
cute
flashlights and
red.
Sadie dogs to give away.
Amazing. Guys, if you haven't been out to our backpack giveaway, it is truly a spectacle to see. You don't even have to get out of your vehicle. You literally drive through Coda. I mean, the space is perfect for this. Look at the line. You line up, you drive through. It's a well-oiled machine at this point. We've been doing it out at Coda for some years now, and we get to meet everyone out there like Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing, and they'll be handing stuff directly into your vehicle. The CBS Austin team, We Are Austin team, will be out there as well, handing you these backpacks and school supplies straight into your vehicle as well. You don't even have to get out. It's truly amazing. I hope that we will see you guys out there this Saturday. And where can people go to learn more about Goettl?
Oh, well, our website, Goettl.com, great place to go. Get on there. You can set appointments. You could even apply for a job. We're always looking for great technicians.
All right, make sure you keep those treats in your socks if that's what you plan on doing. All right, guys. Friends at home, our annual backpack giveaway is again this Saturday, July 26th at 7:30 to 10:30. We'll be out at Circuit of the Americas, rain or shine. Be sure to get there early because it is first come, first served while supplies last. We'll be right back with more We Are Austin right after this.